Here we are at round 9, block 4, the final block actually for the community round robin. This will be the center and it's featured by Future Cat and Zed. If you haven't checked them out, please check out my video description, and it outlines who the 4 creators are that have come up with this round robin. And as you know, I'm just sewing along, doing my own take. So this one is quite easy to do. It's a nice refreshing change. The last one, I have to tell you, was pretty tough for me with all the small seams. But here we go. It finishes at 5.5 inches. And again, you'll have to check out at Future Cat to see how she puts it together. And also the pattern is available. Again, the details are below. So I'm trying to show some continuity from block to block. So this is how my center is going to look. Every kitty has to be a little bit odd. I had a cat that had various patches, so I thought, why not reflect that in this block as well? So let me sew it together. These will be on the diagonal. So these will be done as a flip and stitch like this, to create the ears and to show the background. So let me go ahead and do that, and I'll show you how it turns out. So here's my take on the block. I think it's kind of cute. I look forward to seeing how the borders are going to be to wrap this up. So the next round will be the borders by Kelly from Kelly's Quilts and Cruises. So until next time, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. And as always, sew safely and sew with Debee. Bye for now.